Listen, guys, I need to tell you something that could change your mornings forever. If you're over 50 and things aren't working like they used to, this is exactly what you need to hear right now. I'm Dr. Ovilia Brooks, and I've been helping men reclaim their vitality for over a decade. What I'm about to share with you is so simple, yet so powerful, that my patients can't believe they waited so long to try it. We're talking about adding just one thing to your morning coffee that can transform everything. Forget expensive treatments. Forget complicated routines. This is about taking something you already do every single day and turning it into your secret weapon for better blood flow, stronger energy, and yes, better performance between the sheets. Here's what most guys don't realize. Your morning coffee is already doing half the work. It gets your blood moving, wakes up your system, gives you that mental kick, but it's also doing something else. It's spiking your blood sugar, then crashing it. It's giving you jitters, then leaving you exhausted by lunch. And while it's temporarily boosting circulation, it's doing nothing for the real problems happening in your body after 50. Your body is changing, testosterone is dropping, blood vessels are getting stiffer. That quick caffeine hit is like putting regular gas in a sports car. It'll run, but it won't perform the way it should. What if I told you that 5 simple ingredients could change all of that? Things you can buy at any grocery store, things that cost less than a dinner out, things that actually taste good in your coffee. Let me start with the game changer, cinnamon. Not the fake stuff in the baking aisle. Real Ceylon cinnamon, just half a teaspoon in your coffee, and here's what happens. Your blood sugar stops going crazy. Instead of spiking and crashing, it stays steady all day. And when your blood sugar is steady, your blood vessels stay healthy. Here's the science part. High blood sugar is like sandpaper on your arteries. It damages those tiny blood vessels that feed everything important, especially down there. Cinnamon contains natural compounds that smooth this out. It literally helps your body produce nitric oxide. That's the same molecule that makes vitality treatments work. My 58-year-old patient, Mark, told me it was like someone flipped a switch. No more afternoon crashes, no more reaching for that second cup by 10 a.m. Just steady, reliable energy all day long. Next ingredient, pure cocoa powder. Not the sugary hot chocolate mix, the real dark stuff that's almost black. 1 teaspoon stirred into your coffee, and you're getting the same compounds that make dark chocolate healthy without the sugar bomb. Cocoa is loaded with something called flavonoids. These are nature's circulation boosters. They tell your blood vessels to relax and open wide. Studies show men who have cocoa daily see blood flow improvements that rival prescription treatments. We're talking 30% better circulation, naturally. But here's the bonus. Cocoa also triggers the same brain chemicals you get when you're happy. It literally makes you feel good while it's working on your circulation. One of my patients said it was like getting his confidence back 1 cup at a time. Now, Maca powder. This is where things get interesting. They call it nature's vitality booster in Peru, where it grows 14,000 FT up in the mountains. Harsh conditions make this plant incredibly resilient and packed with nutrients. Maca doesn't work like those treatments that force blood flow for a few hours. Instead, it helps your body make more of its own hormones naturally. Studies show guys taking maca for 12 weeks report significant improvements in desire and performance. But here's the kicker. It's not a stimulant. It's what they call an adaptogen. It helps your body handle stress and maintain balance. The effects build over time. Most men notice a difference in energy and desire within 2 to 3 weeks. Not overnight magic, but real sustainable improvement. Tom, one of my 54-year-old patients, said it was like someone turned the lights back on. Everything just felt clearer and more focused. Coconut oil might sound weird in coffee, but hear me out. When you blend 1 teaspoon into your hot coffee, it creates this creamy, rich drink that keeps you satisfied for hours. No mid-morning hunger pangs. One study showed a 17% increase in testosterone after just 3 months of daily ginger. Another showed improved vitality markers across the board. In your coffee, ginger adds this warm, energizing kick that wakes up your whole system without the shock. Now, you're probably thinking, this sounds complicated. It's not. Here's how to make this work in real life. Start with just 1 ingredient. I recommend cinnamon because it's easy and most guys love the taste. Add half a teaspoon to your coffee every morning for 2 weeks. Notice how you feel. Then, if you're feeling good, add cocoa the next week. 1 teaspoon along with the cinnamon. Week by week, slowly build up your morning vitality routine. Don't try to do everything at once. Your body needs time to adjust. For those who want to go Allen, here's my weekend power coffee. Regular coffee, 1 teaspoon coconut oil, half teaspoon cinnamon, 1 teaspoon cocoa, and a small piece of fresh ginger. Blend it for 30 seconds. It's like a healthy coffee shop drink that actually works. Remember, more isn't better. Start small. Don't expect miracles overnight. If you have serious health issues, see your doctor first. This isn't about replacing medical care. It's about optimizing what you've already got. Don't use the sugary versions of anything. No sweetened cocoa powder, no cinnamon sugar, no candied ginger. We're trying to help your blood sugar, not spike it. And give it time. Your body has been running one way for decades. It needs at least a month to adjust to new inputs and start responding. Here's my challenge for you. Pick one ingredient. Start with cinnamon. Add half a teaspoon to your coffee every morning for the next 30 days. Keep track of how you feel. Energy levels, mood, morning situations, workout performance, whatever matters to you. I'm betting you'll notice enough difference that you'll want to continue and experiment more. Most guys who try this for a month make it permanent. You don't have to accept decline as normal. Your morning coffee can be more than just a wake-up call. It can be your daily dose of natural support for everything that matters to you as a man. These aren't exotic ingredients. You can get them at any grocery store. They're not expensive. They don't taste bad. And they're backed by both science and thousands of years of traditional use. Tomorrow morning, when you're making your coffee, remember this conversation. Remember that you have the power to upgrade your day with simple additions to your cup. Your body is still capable of amazing things. Sometimes it just needs the right fuel. Your vitality matters. Your energy matters. You matter. Small changes today can lead to big improvements tomorrow. Every morning is a new chance to choose better health, stronger performance, and more confidence. If this helped you out, hit that like button and share it with a buddy who might benefit. Sometimes the best thing you can do for a friend is give them information that could change their life. Subscribe for more real solutions for men's health after 50. No judgment, no embarrassment, just practical stuff that actually works. Until next time, this is Dr. Ovilia Brooks reminding you that your best days aren't behind you. They're waiting in your coffee cup. Stay strong, gentlemen.